Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Welcome to part 9 and final video of Rat House radio restoration. I want to take this opportunity and thank you for encouragement and kind words which gave me the drive to restore this radio. I am so humble and speechless with the amount of subscribers that I have in a short period of time. As you know, I do this as a hobby and have no electronic background, but that did not stop me because this is absolutely rewarding hobby, especially rescuing old technology for the future generation to enjoy. If you are a new subscriber, I highly suggest reviewing all 9 videos which explain the total restoration of this radio. Coming up, part 9, Rat House radio restoration. In this video, we're going to create radio decal and also, create radio back panel. And we have a short view of the total restoration and the end. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you all have a great day. Take care. All right, you remember this sticker that I had to remove? What I did, I took a picture of the old one and I put it on computer, enlarged it, and I start cleaning it up. It came out very nice, it's just like a brand new. So anyway, this is how I look like. I'm going to glue it on chassis. As you know, I had to remove the old one because I had to derust, the chassis. All right, what are we going to glue it right here? As you know, I always going to use this glue. It's tacky glue. It works very well. If it works very well, why not keep using it, right? The good thing about this glue is when it dry, any excess, it's going to be totally clear, so it doesn't show. Yeah, if you get in my hands, not a big deal. I'm going to clean it, right? I'm going to wash it. I just want to finish this video and get it done. And I have tons of other things to do. And this goes right here. So remember, it was somewhere right here. Okay. Let it dry. Okay. I'll bring it up for you to see it. This is how I look. Here what I did is shrunk the schematic, took a portion of the schematic, printed, and so I made it small enough for it fit inside the radio. Here I'm going to make the paper look aged because it's very white and I don't have a darker paper. So I have a little like a crayon, go over it, very light. So it looks better. See, I'm trying to make the paper look old. I think I accomplished that. See the difference? Much better. Already diluted this. All right, this is done. All right. For the first time, the chassis is going to be installed inside the cabinet. This cabinet is totally done. This is how inside look like now. See, you hardly can see the cracks. All right. So this is totally done. It's looking great, man. I'm really happy with the end result. So we're gonna put these together, merge them together. Then we install the knobs that I made, volume control, and also the dial, knob. And then we're gonna start it. I'm gonna pick this up, put it inside. Always installing. Be very careful. You don't want to damage anything, right? All right, that's inside the cabinet. For the first time after taking it apart. Now I'm going to put those screws in the bottom. Then we are set. See, I put all the 4 screws in. All right. I'm working on the back panel of the radio. So what I'm doing, I'm looking around the house. Whatever we have, cardboards, I cut it. I'm going to take it outside and glue all of them together. And I know I can buy, cardboards, but again, I'm trying to use everything around the house to fix this radio. So I already cut about 4 pieces. So I'm going to glue it together and then cut it to the shape. This is the right size and need to come up with some type of design in the back. Usually, I need to figure these things out, what I need to do. So make it look good, because I cannot find any pictures about this radio except one, and that's just the front of the radio. Anyway, let's see if this is doable. All right, let me take it outside and glue it. All right, I glued this backboard, and then I went on computer. I found a radio online and tried to duplicate what they have in that radio. So this is what I came up with. I start shrinking it to make sure it fit, this. Then when I felt comfortable with it, I printed in the darker page. First I tried the back, it was too high. So this is what I come up with. Of course I have to put some holes here. I'm going to go outside and glue this to this board like that. All right. And put the holes. That should do it. It looked like a, old cardboard. These are the craft paper that kids, they had it years ago. They used to use this, and I have a few of them left. So I'm going to glue this and put holes in it, trying to make it look good. We'll show you when it's finished. All right, the back panel finished also. I took it outside. Of course, the glue is being done. Took it outside. I used this punch set that I have. I used the largest one to put holes, and it was 5 across. So anyway, I tried to duplicate what I saw online. So we're going to install this in back of the radio, this back panel. All right. I do not want to put the screws here, because originally there was no screw back there. There are some pens. Of course, I need to find them. Maybe I go online and I'll try to find, maybe somebody has those or they sell them. I get this type of things that you use is like a rivet, right? So I cut cut it off. Now this goes right here. See, like that. That's really the best solution at this time until I find the proper thing. But this is going to work as well, as you see. Okay. And that is the back panel for the radio. I'll show you the front as well. See all the crack, everything is fixed. All right, folks, this radio is done. Okay, it's looking good. Hardly you can see those crack. All right, let's hook it up to electricity and test it. All right, folks, this is the radio. It is on. See, the light is on. So in a few seconds, I'm going to start changing the station. Speaking of a few stations, folks, this radio is completed. It came up very nice. I'm very happy with the end result. You turn it around so you see the back as well. It's totally done finally. All right. Let's listen to some station.
Fans of the Florida Gators are big fans of Urban Meyer, and I think a lot of Ohio State fans, if there are any in this area, I'm sure there's a few because they have a pretty broad reach, may not like or be big fans of Urban Meyer. But, you know, look, he whips, and it doesn't mean that he's going to win at the pro level, because at the college level you're allowed to have better talent than anybody else, and it can be a little bit unfair because you can out-recruit people.
What will motivate you to lose that weight? Maybe the fact that obesity is a risk factor for COVID-19? That might help.
Okay, folks, as you can see, this radio work unbelievable. I am so happy with the registration. I'm glad I work on this radio, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Just stay tuned and start, looking for another radio to work on. As I mentioned, I have a bunch of them, and so soon I'm going to get started on the next one. Again, appreciate for watching, and you all have a great day. One more time, we're going to go around the radio so you see how beautiful this radio is. It's just unbelievable. I'm very, very happy with the end result. Everything is done. You all have an awesome day. Take care. I want to take the opportunity and thank you for taking your valuable time watching these videos. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when new video being uploaded. You have a great day.